Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the John Lewis and Partners stainless steel kitchen roll holder. So let's go ahead and remove it from its clear plastic bag packaging. Of course, sliding the bag off from it, and of course keeping the bag away from babies, children and animals. And giving you a look at this John Lewis and Partners stainless steel kitchen roll holder before I start handling it. And now let's take a close-up look at this kitchen roll holder. So it is made from stainless steel, and taking a close-up look we can see that it does have some finely brushed elements or texture to the post, as well as the cap or top of the stainless steel kitchen roll holder. And taking a look at the bottom, there are 4 clear feet at the bottom or underside of the base of this kitchen roll holder. And right there is the barcode. And to give you some sense of the size of the base, resting my hand on the underside to give you some sense of the size and scale of this stainless steel kitchen roll holder. And it measures 33 centimeters tall, and it does have a 15 centimeter diameter or width. And now taking another look at the kitchen roll holder and its overall aesthetic. So you can see the sides of the cap at the top does have a bright polished finish, and the post itself is horizontally brushed. And right there is the base, and you can see that it does have that concentric circular finish, and the thickness of the base right there. And of course, once again giving you a look at the underside with the 4 feet. And its overall finish as well. So it does have a noticeable weight to the base. As you can see, just trying to tip it over with my finger right there. It does stay pretty upright, as you can see right there. That weight keeping it nice and balanced. Okay, so now let's test it out. I do have a Regina Blitz household roll here to give you some sense of the size and scale once again. And now let's go ahead and pop it onto the John Lewis and Partners stainless steel kitchen roll holder to give you some sense of the fitment right there of this household roll or kitchen roll. And right there is the overall fitment, and of course once again giving you a look at the height of this kitchen roll holder, having a 33 centimeter height, and of course the 15 centimeter diameter. And taking a look top down, and perhaps in this view and perspective as well. And let's test it out again in terms of the tipping and stability of this kitchen roll holder. It does maintain a very upright position even at a very exaggerated angle right there, as I've just demonstrated. So that's the John Lewis and Partners stainless steel kitchen roll holder. Thanks for watching and happy holding!